Hello viewers, welcome to Dan and Thakkal Law Network, and today we'll discuss about appeal in civil suits. In CPC, section 96 to 112 and order 41 to order 45 deals with the different types of appeal in civil suits. But in CPC there is no specific definition of appeal, but in a landmark case appeal is categorically defined. So in Nagendranath versus Suresh Chandra AIR 1932, in this case appeal is described as, or the definition of appeal is described as, an appeal is the judicial examination of the decision of an inferior court by a higher court, or appeal is the complaint made to the higher court that the decree passed by the lower court is unsound and wrong. So various types of appeals are there, and for understanding the appeal we have to understand some concepts. When I am filing a civil suit before any court, that court is called as first instant court. Suppose I am filing a civil suit before the Civil Judge Junior Division, then that Civil Judge Junior Division court is called as first instant court. And then come on first appeal. You can file a first appeal before the any superior court. Suppose the first instant court is Civil Judge Junior Division, and that court delivered a judgment, and when you are going to file an appeal, it is called as first appeal, and you have to file a first appeal before the district judge if the first instant court is Civil Judge Junior Division. So first appeal lies upon any superior court, and first appeal lies on some specific ground, and the grounds for filing a first appeal is wide or very vast. First appeal can be filed upon the question of law, question of fact, substantial question of law, or upon all the mixed factors. And for filing first appeal, there is no pecuniary limit. Upon any valuation of suit property, you can file first appeal. And for filing first appeal, the limitation is, if the first appellant court is the high court, then the limitation is 90 days. Otherwise, the limitation is 30 days for filing first appeal. And let's come on order 42. Order 42 deals with second appeal, and the scope of second appeal is not so wide, it is limited, and second appeal lies only before the high court, and second appeal lies against the decree of first appellant court. And in second appeal, you can file second appeal upon substantial question of law only. And for filing second appeal, the limitation is 90 days. And let's come on order 32. And in second appeal, again I have come on order 42 second appeal. In second appeal, there is a pecuniary limit. The suit property or the valuation of suit must exceeds rupees 25,000 for filing second appeal. If the value is less than 25,000, then you can't file a second appeal. And order 43, appeal from an order. Some orderer described in order 43 that orders are appealable order, and the limitations for filing appeal from an order: if the appeal is filed before the High Court, then 90 days, otherwise 30 days. And you can file appeal from an order upon some specific order which is mentioned in order 43. And then order 44, appeal by indigent person, appeal by pauper. Indigent person or pauper means a person who is not able to bear the court fees. In the circumstance or when a person is pauper, he have to file the petition before the court that he is not able to bear the court fees and he is not able to bear the fees of the advocate. Then court will give that person advocate from legal service authority, and no need to bear the court fees by that person. But he must have to satisfy the court that he is a pauper or an indigent person. And for filing an application for declaring indigent person or pauper is, if it is before the High Court, then 60 days, otherwise 30 days. And finally, order 45. Order 45 deals with the appeal before the Supreme Court. You can file an appeal before the Supreme Court only upon the substantial question of law, and the scope for filing the appeal before the Supreme Court is very less wider than the second appeal. Only some limited substantial question of law you can file an appeal before the Supreme Court, and we have to file an appeal before the Supreme Court against the judgment of the second appellate court. And also we have to read some provisions of Indian Constitution for appeal before the Supreme Court. Article 132, Article 133, Article 134, Article 135, and finally the very important Article 136, SLP, Special Leave Petition. That articles we have to read with order 45. So friends, today we have discussed the appeal provision in CPC or appeal in any civil suits. So I hope you all can understand and you all have a clear idea about appeal in civil suits, and stay connected with us for more legal updates and for more legal videos.